Hi, all you YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. What do we have here? Can you guess what this is? This is my vintage 1986 slot machine. This one here, I got off a cruise ship. I used to be in the business many years ago about selling them, buying them, repairing them, doing different things with this here. And this is the one that I have upstairs in the office. It's actually one of my favorite one, Budweiser. And I was looking at videos all across the internet and I could not find any videos, this is so weird, of the insides of a slot machine, especially one that's digital and LED, and this one here, a more modern one. So I said, you know what, let's go ahead and do a video on this. So I want to talk about this one. This video is going to last for about 5 minutes, so it's going to be on the short side here. This one here is LED. It has the lights, it's the Budweiser one. Also too, it has manual settings, which I mean by that, basically there's a button on the side, a lever that will go ahead and adjust the percentage of payouts. 50%, 85%, it goes all the way down. And this particular machine has a setting on it where if you take it all the way down, it's a 0 payout setting. Bad luck for all you people that played this on the cruise ship, because if it was on a 0 setting, you would play it day and night and you wouldn't get just one darn dime out of it. This machine runs on quarters. Also too, it runs on tokens. It has a counter on it. It has the belly where the extra coins are, and also too where the coins basically they go in the top to distribute the winnings, or they go on the bottom for the house. You have 2 speakers involved with this here. You also too have 1, 2, 3 security locks on it with a counter on it for each play and everything else on this too. This is an import. It's made in China, and actually it's held up very well. It's all in perfect working order, and I could go ahead and play this day and night. Also too, it has a part where the technicians with stamps and they would go ahead and do their service on it. The big difference between this machine and a machine nowadays is the machine nowadays basically is all done on the internet. It's all done through Bluetooth, AI. There's a network that basically that they are all hooked up to, and that's how the payouts go. So I just wanted to just go ahead and touch on this one here. So if ever you're looking or you're wondering about a slot machine and how the payouts work on them, it does not matter what sequence you hit the buttons. Doesn't matter how fast you hit the buttons. It is all basically luck. There is some skill involved on this too. Basically, some slot machines, they have it advertised where the payout is higher. Or if you're playing in Vegas or playing at one of the casinos or something like that too, and you notice somebody's been playing the machine for about 30-40 minutes and it hasn't really paid out, maybe that machine is getting ready to go ahead and pop and give a payout. So there is some luck involved on this and skill, and I mean you just have to have basically your peace of mind on this too. So I mean, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Questions, comments, leave them below. I'm very happy to share this with you here. And I think I'm going to go ahead. It's kind of hot day. It's about 87. I think I'm going downstairs and just enjoy myself a bottle of Bud. Take care. Blessings. Catch you on the next video. And goodbye for now.